Next question here. This was a word problem. Here we have a right triangle. Let's take a look at them, how it look like. That's a right triangle. So this must be 90 degrees. Here it says one leg of a right triangle is 2 centimeters less than the other one. So if I call this one x, and this one would be x minus 2 then. And we know the area. So we have to write the formula. Area is equal to 1/2 base times height. So x times x minus 2. So remember, area is equal to 1/2 base times height. So if you call this the base and this is the height, so we can write this as area is given to us as being 12 is equal to 1/2 x times x minus 2. I can get rid of this 1/2 by multiplying both sides of the equation by 2. So here I get 24 is equal to x times x minus 2. So I get to distribute, I get x squared minus 2x equal to 24. So if I move everything to one side of the equation, subtract 24, that would be equal to 0. So this is what I have to solve for. Can I factor this? Is this factorable? Anyone? Okay, so this is yes. So that would be x. How do you factor this? For negative 24, what are we going to use? Okay, I get different answers. Someone says 12 and 2. Remember, we're looking for two numbers. When you multiply them together, you get 24. Then you add them up, you want to get negative 2. So 12 and 2 is not going to work. A lot of you saying 4 and 6. So let's try 4 and 6. If I use 4 and 6 here, I can make negative 2 out of that if I have the larger number would be negative. This would be negative, this would be positive. That should work. Plus 4 times negative 6 would be negative 24, and then a negative 6 and plus 4 would be 2, negative 2. So there we have it. So we have x plus 4 is equal to 0, x equal to negative 4. This is not acceptable because the length cannot be a negative. So the next one we have x minus 6 is equal to 0, so x must be equal to 6. So the height would be 6, and the base would be 6 minus 2, which is equal to 4. And don't forget the unit, these are centimeter. So it would be 4 centimeter and 6 centimeter.